Hey all, this is a 10-minute mental detox yoga flow made to help you release mental clutter, let go of stress, and invite clarity. My name is Leah, or you guys can call me Baby Scorpio, and I'll be your yoga instructor for this session. Let us begin. Namaste. We're going to start off in easy pose, so sit tall with your legs crossed. I want you to close your eyes, and we're going to start by deep breathing. So inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. We're going to continue to deep breathe, and I want you to be open to this affirmation. I am subconsciously strong, steady, and fully present in this moment. We're going to transition into a tabletop position, and I want you to synchronize your breath and your movement as you move through cat and cow pose. I want you to focus on the sensation of your breath as I say this affirmation. I subconsciously believe that my strength is rooted in calm awareness. We're going to transition by stepping into high plank with our shoulders over our wrists, our core engaged, and our breath steady. We're going to transition into downward dog, so I want you to lift your hips up and back into an inverted V shape, and we're going to lift one leg up and then step through into low lunge. You can add a gentle twist with one hand lifted towards the sky as I say this affirmation. I move with strength and pure intentions. Just like on the other side, we're going to go back into downward dog and lift the opposite leg up and move through low lunge. And remember, for that gentle twist, you can lift that one hand up towards the sky. We're going to inhale and rise into crescent pose, and we're going to exhale into warrior two pose. And I want you to synchronize your breath and your movement as I say this affirmation. I stand firm in my power and my foundations are unshakable. And we're going to switch sides. I want you to bring awareness to your feet grounded and your crown lifted as you let your strength feel steady and not tense. We're going to transition into a standing position at the top of the mat, and we're going to sink into chair pose. Bring your palms to your heart, and we're going to twist to the right, and we're going to twist to the left. Make sure that you're deep breathing in this pose as I say this affirmation. Every breath fuels my inner strength. I want you to inhale through your nose and exhale into forward fold. I want you to focus on your breath as the rhythm strengthens your mind. We're going to transition by stepping into plank pose and holding it. I want you to focus on deep breathing and validating yourself by telling yourself something that you need to hear as you hold this pose. I trust my strength and I honor my peace. And we're going to inhale into cobra pose and exhale to lower down as I say this affirmation. I rise with ease and grace. We're going to transition by bringing our big toes together with our knees wide, and we're going to sink our hips back into child's pose. I want you to rest your forehead on the mat as I say this affirmation. Thank yourself for showing up to this yoga session. You are worthy of investing in your mind, body, and soul. If this video helped you, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video with somebody who may need a pause in their day. I'll see you in the next one. Namaste.